So here, we're going to lift up our Kawasaki Super Sherpa and see if we can get it running again. Okay, that's probably good enough for now. Since it's been a little while since we worked on this thing, we'll run through the updates of what I've done to it. Put an LED headlight, DRZ upper fender, rebuilt the forks, put some little PVC spacers in there to give it a little more spring and ride height, because the sloppy suspension on these is not that great. Put a new ignition in it, put a new front brake master cylinder, rear brake master cylinder, all new brake fluid, new chain, sprockets, fuel filter, an LED rear tail light, and I removed some of the broken blinkers and stuff that you don't really need. Engine ran good, everything shifted good. When I was replacing the front tube, I pinched one of the tubes, and now I have to put another tube again on it, which is why it's off the ground right now. So that's a lot of fun. And we had an oil leak from where this little grommet comes out of the stator cover, so I'm going to put some RTV on there to correct that. And then we also had another oil leak at the output shaft seal, so we're going to put some RTV on the stator cover and replace the output shaft seal, charge the battery, and see if our tired old carburetor will still start. The fuel in this fuel filter looks a little old, but okay, so I'm not actually sure what's in the tank. This has probably been sitting for almost a year, if not longer, since it's run now, so we'll see what we can do. So I'll try to get a good view on what was leaking. This guy right here, this wire where it comes out of the stator cover, the grommets get old and cracked, so you just got to put some RTV on them. And then in our output shaft, you can see oil running out because our output shaft seal is gone. So we're working on those right now. We'll about have it all together in a moment. Now we've got our bad boy all done up with RTV, so we ought to not leak around the grommet anymore. Let's put her back on there. Now we got the new, let's see, all RTV in, sprocket seal in. Sprocket seal battery did not work, so looks like we'll be going to Walmart to buy a battery in a minute. But until then, I'm going to change this front inner tube because it's leaking. Just put another K&N oil filter on there. The old one was quite nasty, so let's put some oil in it. The RTV should be as set as it's gonna be, and see if we got any oil leaks right around. I believe I ran the carburetor out of gas last time I ran it. It's ethanol free, so hopefully I don't have to take the carb apart to get it to start. We're just gonna try to flush some of the old fuel out of there. Fresh gas, fresh battery, fresh oil. Let's see if she starts. We're gonna go ahead and put the charger on engine start mode, just so I don't kill the brand new battery. I had the bike on off even though I was trying to start it. That's stupid. Oh, we don't have a bike. Alright, now I had a little trouble with the carburetor earlier because I thought that the carburetor was clogged or something, so I was like, oh, it's not getting gas. And then I got back to the house and realized that fantastically the whatchamacallit, fuel hose had popped off, which was a tight fuel line, and on dirt bikes you can press them on without a clamp, but I put a fuel injection hose clamp in there because let's get a connection. Starts right up. Good bike. Speedometer's working, neutral indicator's working, got lights. The idle's a little low. Let's turn up the idle some. Bright lights, dim lights. Hasn't run in a year, so let's see what we got. Let's take it out in the street. Bold moves. Let's kick on the brights. See this LED shine. Wow. It lights up everything. Here's the highway. Only brave souls go on the highway. This old 6-speed. Alright, time for a max speed run. Let's see what this baby will do. .56, 61, 64, 67. Is that 6th gear? No, that's 6th gear. Alright, so it'll do every bit of 70 miles an hour. 72. That's a little wobbly. That's about as fast as I want to take it, but you get the idea. You can ride just fine on the highway. Question that we've all been asking ourselves, and by we, I mean me, myself, and I, is will it Willie? So let's see if we don't get a ticket on another. There's no power at all. Oh, damn it. Come on, car. I just lost it. Damn it. I didn't run out of gas already, did I? Let's see. Check our fuel line. Fuel line's still on there. Let's turn gas to reservoir. Ah, shit. I've run out of gas. It's got every symptoms of a bike that's run out of gas. Alright, let's see if I can make it out of the back to the house. Damn it. Shit. Fuck. Get the lovely fucking weight. I do believe I've run out of gas again. Beautiful. I made it back to the house. That's all I need. Ugh. There's no way I used all that gas that quickly. Alright. I filled her up with gas because I think I just ran out of gas. We're going to see what she does now. Oh, it still doesn't like it. I think are we flooding or running lean? Alright, I turned the fuel off. She returned to normal, which means we're running rich, getting too much fuel. How are we getting too much fuel? That doesn't make sense. Not using fuel fast enough. Huh. So if you ride it like a bat out of hell, it works great. If you pussyfoot around, that does not work great. There it is, the pussyfooting around. Shit. Shit. Alright, well, we're not gonna worry because we know it'll start. Let's just turn the fuel. Oh, we didn't have the fuel on. That'll do it. Ah, oh, we're back in business. So pussyfoot around. You don't use all the gas that's being dumped in. My carburetor bowl height is probably too high, or I don't know, some bull crap. Hell, this might not even be the right carburetor for this bike. So it runs great if I turn the gas on and off. Alright, let's pop a wheelie. Ah, one baby wheelie. Yeah, I'll take it. Alright. Well, that's enough of this bull crap for today. Let's turn the carb off and run the old girl out of gas.